Welcome students. Today we are going to see an interesting problem asked by one of my students. In this problem, actually this problem is based on I'm going to display the problem here. Just have a look. Now, these type of problems are based on the concept of maxima and minima type of, okay, maxima and minima. Actually there is a truck whose width is given as 2 meters, and this is on a road actually, and you are seeing actually the plan view, that is you are seeing from the top, and there is a person who is trying to cross the road. So the speed of the truck is given as 8 meters per second, okay, and this person is at a distance of 4 meters from the truck. Now at what angle should he go, or what should be his minimum speed so that he is able to safely cross the truck? Now the person can go like this also, he can go like this also, he can go like this also. We don't know at what angle he is going to go and cross the truck. So we will assume that, let us say he is going at some angle, theta with the horizontal with v speed. We have to find this minimum v speed we have to find out. So the concept that I'm going to use here is, this person is trying to cross the truck safely. That means the truck is traveling, this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis, okay. The truck is traveling in the y-axis, x-axis, and there are two components of this. One is v cos theta and one is v sin theta, okay. And the person's y component is trying to negotiate the truck safely and cross the truck safely. That means I can say the time taken by truck in x direction would be just sufficient for the time taken by the man in the y direction, okay. So we will be dealing with the components here, okay. So for that purpose, so we need to find out what is the distance traveled by the truck. So in x direction, what is the distance traveled by the truck? One is, this truck has to cover this 4 meters and he has to cover this x distance also. So let us calculate this x. The width of the truck is given as 2 meters. So in this triangle, this angle is theta. So this angle is 90 minus theta. Okay. So we can write x by 2 is equal to tan of 90 minus theta, which is equal to, x is equal to 2 cot theta. Okay. So the truck has to cover how much distance? 4 plus x. The truck has to cover 4 plus x, which is 4 plus 2 cot theta. Okay. So the time taken by the truck would be, distance by speed. So distance is 4 plus 2 cot theta divided by the speed of the truck. In x direction, the speed of the truck is 8. So it is 8. This is equation 1. Now we need to find out what is the time taken by the man in y direction. So this is also distance by speed. So distance, he has to clear this width part. So it is 2 meters divided by, we need to consider here the vertical component, because in that direction vertical component will be active, to 2 by v sin theta. This is my equation 2. So as per this concept, both are same. So 4 plus 2 cot theta divided by 8 is equal to 2 by v sin theta. So here we have two unknowns, one is v, one is theta, and we are trying to find out the minimum value. So we have to do dv by d theta is equal to 0. Okay. So for that, what I will do is, first I will multiply and then we'll apply the differential. So 4v sine theta, I'm cross multiplying 4v sine theta plus 2 cot theta sine theta is equal to 16. This implies 4v sine theta plus 2 cos theta by sine theta into sine theta is equal to 16. So sine gone. So here v also will be there. Okay, because there is a v here, there is a v here. Okay, so finally you get 4v sine theta plus 2v cos theta is equal to 16. Now we'll apply this concept, dv by d theta is equal to 0. So this becomes, differentiating this, 4v cos theta minus 2v sine theta is equal to 0. So we cancel 2. So tan theta, if you simplify, you are getting 2. That means tan theta is equal to 2 by 1. This hypotenuse will be 2 by 5. Okay. So this angle approximately is 63.3 degrees, I guess. Okay. So we have found out the value of theta. Now we have to find out the value of v from this equation. So let me write it over here. So I'm going to use this to find out the final value of v minimum. So it is 4v sine theta. So sine theta is 2 by root 5. 4v 2 by root 5 plus 2v cos theta. 2v cos theta. Cos theta is 1 by root 5. 1 by root 5 is equal to 16. So this is like 8v by root 5 plus 2v by root 5 is equal to 16. So which is 10v by root 5 is equal to 16. V is equal to 16 root 5 by 10. So by 10. So 2 5s are, 2 8s are. So this is like 8 by root 5, which if you calculate, I think approximately you'll get 3.57 meter per second. So if you have any more doubts, you can WhatsApp me, and if the question is interesting, I will make a video and try to explain. Okay, take care then, bye.